Alright, let's talk about something super important, your heart health. Did you know that what you eat can actually help unclog your arteries and lower your risk of a heart attack? Let's count down the top 7 artery-clearing foods you should totally add to your plate. Ready? Let's roll. Number 7. Avocados. Creamy, delicious, and loaded with healthy fats that help lower bad cholesterol. I love slicing them up on toast or tossing them in a salad. They're also packed with fiber and potassium, which support healthy blood pressure. Number 6. Fatty fish. Think salmon, sardines, and mackerel. These are loaded with omega-3s, the good fats that reduce inflammation and keep your arteries nice and flexible. I aim to get at least 2 servings a week. Grill them, bake them, or toss them in a salad. Number 5. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, they're all bursting with antioxidants that fight off artery damage. I toss a handful on my morning oatmeal or blend them into a smoothie for a heart-healthy boost. Number 4. Nuts, especially walnuts and almonds. These guys are loaded with healthy fats, fiber, and plant sterols that help lower cholesterol. A small handful as a snack can really go a long way for your heart. Just watch your portion size, they're high in calories. Number 3. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are rich in nitrates, which help open up blood vessels and improve blood flow. I try to sneak greens into everything: omelets, sandwiches, even smoothies. Number 2. Olive oil. Swap out butter or margarine for a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. It's full of antioxidants and monounsaturated fats that lower bad cholesterol and keep your arteries happy. And finally, number 1. Garlic. Not only does it add a punch of flavor, but garlic has compounds that lower blood pressure and help prevent plaque buildup in your arteries. I use fresh garlic in my cooking whenever I can. It's an easy win for both taste and health. So, let's recap. Add more avocados, fatty fish, berries, nuts, leafy greens, olive oil, and garlic to your meals. These powerhouse foods can help unclog your arteries and seriously reduce your risk of a heart attack. But hey, no single food can do it all. It's about building healthy habits, staying active, and talking to your doctor about what's best for you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone you care about. Here's to a healthier heart, one bite at a time.